Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Log In. Today I'm going to show you how you can log in into your M&T Bank account. First of all, just go into any search browser that you are using and then go into its search bar and just type for M&T Bank login and hit enter. After doing so, click on the first link that pops up on your screen. Here, this will take you to the official login site of M&T Bank, where you need to input your user ID and password so you can log in into your account. You can also tick this Remember User ID button for easier access next time, but I would not recommend doing so if you are on a public computer. Now, after inputting the correct user ID and password, just hit on Login, then you'll be logged in into your M&T Bank account. That's all for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys on our next video. Thank you for watching.